In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Express VPN to your devices. We'll go from setting up your account to installing Express VPN on a computer, a phone, and a smart TV or streaming device, and then we'll finish by making sure everything is working correctly. The goal here is to get your internet traffic protected through an encrypted connection across the devices you use most. First, open your web browser and go to the official ExpressVPN website. Click the button to get started, then choose the subscription plan that works best for you. After that, enter your email address and complete checkout using your preferred payment method. Once your payment is confirmed, sign in to your ExpressVPN account dashboard. From there, find the activation code shown on the account page and copy it. This code is important because you'll use it to activate the apps on certain devices without needing to type your account password each time. Next, let's add ExpressVPN to a desktop computer. While signed into your account, click the download button for your operating system, whether that's Windows or Mac. Once the installer finishes downloading, open the file and follow the on-screen instructions to complete the installation. After that, launch the ExpressVPN app. When you're asked to sign in or activate the app, paste in the activation code you copied earlier, then continue. This should unlock the app and get it ready to use on your computer. Now, let's move to a mobile phone or tablet. Open the App Store or Google Play Store, search for ExpressVPN, and download the official app. Once it's installed, open the app and tap Sign In. Then go back to your ExpressVPN account page on your computer browser. Choose the option to set up other devices and select phone or tablet. A QR code will appear on the screen. Use your phone's camera to scan that QR code, and the app should sign you in automatically. This is usually the fastest way to connect a mobile device. For a smart TV or streaming stick, start by opening the App Store on the device and installing the ExpressVPN app. Once you open it, you'll see a link code displayed on the TV screen. On a phone or laptop, go to the ExpressVPN linking page and sign in if needed. Enter the code shown on your TV, submit it, and the television app should refresh and activate automatically. Finally, test the connection. Open the ExpressVPN app on the device you just added, choose a server location, and press the power button to connect. Wait a few seconds until the app shows that it's connected, then open a private or incognito browser window and visit ExpressVPN's IP check page. Confirm that the displayed IP address and country match the server location you selected. If they do, your VPN is set up and working properly.